In 1959, British Rail introduced the Class 23, a short-lived class of just 10 diesel-electric locomotives, known affectionately as the Baby Deltics. Built by English Electric, they featured a scaled-down version of the iconic Napier Deltic engine, a 9-cylinder T9-29 producing 1,100 horsepower, and shared the distinctive look of their larger Class 55 cousins. Designed for outer suburban passenger services from King's Cross, including Cambridge and Moorgate runs, the Class 23s quickly ran into trouble. Delivered overweight, they had to be lightened with aluminium parts and drilled bogies. But the bigger issue was mechanical reliability. Frequent engine failures, from cracked liners to snapped auxiliary drives, led to constant breakdowns and poor performance compared to more robust classes like the Class 24. A mid-60s refurbishment improved matters, with new components, visual updates, and better reliability. Yet they remained a small, troubled fleet. By 1971, all were withdrawn as part of BR's fleet rationalisation. 1 D5901 survived briefly in departmental use before being scrapped. Yet one part lived on, the T9-29 engine. Saved and restored by the Baby Deltic Project, it's now the heart of a recreated Baby Deltic, currently under construction at Barrow Hill Roundhouse, built from parts of Class 37 and Class 20 locomotives. Was the Baby Deltic a failure? Technically, yes, but its daring design and unique sound earned it lasting affection. And thanks to dedicated enthusiasts, its story isn't over yet. If you enjoyed this look at one of Britain's most intriguing locomotives, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support keeps railway history alive